Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to replace the turntable on your U-turn vending machine. If you like videos like this, I post videos and tutorials every single Saturday at 10, so if you want, then subscribe so that you can help me reach my goal of hitting 500 subscribers. And I also have another collection video in the process of being made. I know you guys really like those collection videos, so I have another one coming up pretty soon, so if you want, you can subscribe so you don't miss out on that either. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First thing we need to do is remove all of the canisters and the top chassis, as well as the base plate and the standpipe, so that we just have this bottom chassis right here. And then we can flip it on its side and unscrew all of the screws that hold on the carousel cover. Now once we take that off, we can see the turntable itself, and if we rotate it at a certain angle, then we can see there's 4 screws that are holding it in place. So all we need to do is unscrew those 4 screws now. Once the old turntable is removed, we can see that there are 4 outer holes and 4 inner holes on the bottom of our chassis here. We are then going to take our new turntable and line up the holes in the turntable with the inner holes on the bottom of the chassis. And then the outer holes will line up with the chassis cover at the end. Now all we need to do now is take our new turntable and line up the holes in the turntable with the inside holes of the chassis. So I'm just going to line that up now, and then I'm going to screw in all 4 screws. Finally, you might want to tighten all the screws just a bit extra, just to make sure it's not going anywhere. Next, we can take our turntable cover and line up the 4 screws on the cover with the 4 outside holes on the bottom of the chassis, and then we can screw them in. Now that we've replaced our turntable and put the turntable cover back on, you might be looking for another video about how to assemble your U-turn vending machine. And if you are, then you can check out my video right here in the top right corner of your screen. And if this video helped you in any way, then be sure to leave a like and share it with some of your friends that also do vending. And if you want, you can also subscribe and check out some of my other videos in the other playlist down below.